Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the folding refrigerator shelf in the Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator folding shelf. This folding refrigerator shelf is usually located in the middle of the fresh food section. It's a glass shelf with a front portion that slides in and out, that allows you to store tall objects on the shelf below. The most common reason to replace the folding refrigerator shelf is if it's broken and no longer stays in place or slides in and out. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the sliding shelf, I'm going to lift it up and slide it out. This is the old folding refrigerator shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Right, I'm going to install the new refrigerator folding shelf and place it on the rails. And slowly going to push it back and then slide it in. Next, I'm going to peel off this tapes on the corners. Now it's a folding shelf. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.